You ain't seen many fat boys be able to do that, right? Back to bottom of the barrel. You might have seen a video picture going around of people making spaghetti and beans in ice pops. But I haven't seen anyone try it. I've only seen the photos. What do you think, Greg? You gonna try one? Nice bit of bean ice pulp.
So Matt's gone for a simple jack, Luke.
What are we doing first? Getting a little bit of Heinz beans. Bean pops we're going to be able to get out of this motherfucker. Now, we pop this in there. Nice little bean pop for tomorrow. Yeah.
Yeah, man, what do you...
You gonna have one? Oh shit. Oh shit. Fuck it, it's turning into how to basic now. Yeah. Cursed video. That's not disgusting at all. I mean, listen to this. Ooh. I feel sick. This is rank. Now for the last one, Greg thought it'd be funny if we got one with little sausages in it. One for you, and one for you. One for you. I can't wait for this. Alright, you helping clean up, yeah?
No.
Why not? Metal music going in the background. Cleaning up time! And we're gonna eat them tomorrow. Wow.
Yeah.
What go on?
We're at the beach. We're gonna have some ice poles, chill out, have a good time.
Oh, what a lovely day! It's literally like 2 weeks later because we just couldn't be bothered to do it any sooner. It's actually a nice warm day today, apart from the fact that it's very windy. Now, what should I go for first, Greg? Oh yeah, get a sniff on that, Greg. Beans.
Oh, nothing.
That's gonna get banned, isn't it? Delicious. So cold. The beans are like rocks.
Really? That looks delicious. Yeah, that's delicious. Heinz's new ice poles are great. That's disgusting, man. I can't put that near the back of my throat. Ugh, there we go. I ate it, man. Oh, that is fucking nasty, man. I feel like washing my mouth out in the sea.
It's that bad.
That's so disgusting, man. That's horrid. Yeah. That looks so horrible, dude.
It's got like the meat. There's like meat up here. Little sausage down there. One on the side there. I think I'm gonna go in for the side one. Cracked tooth at the back at the moment, so it's so sensitive. I don't want to eat the rest of that. This was a taste test. This one, yeah, it's like a 2 or a 3.
Yeah.
Did I say 3? I meant C!
Dude, that's blue.
Yeah, I feel bad. Shall I go get it?
Yeah.
Oh, I hate this C.
Now with added salt.
Added salt's not good! That's so salty! Let's get some stupid shots now and stuff. That sea is freezing cold.
Oh yeah. The sea takes like a long...